Today we shall be continuing on our discussion on how to enter data in Excel. But this moment is going to be how to enter figures, and not just figures but figures that are starting with 0. Most people find it difficult to enter figures that are having leading zeros, especially on our telephone number and account number. Looking at the examples that we have here, look at this telephone number for Johnson Moses. The first 0, the leading 0 is not there. Look at it here. We have the number is supposed to be 08023415248, but the first 0 is nowhere to be found. The same thing happened to the rest of the telephone numbers that we are having on this list. The same thing applicable to account number. The account number for Johnson Moses begins with numbers of zeros, but the leading zeros are not appearing here. Only for Ebaho Sunday that we have 2548759632, and the 10 digits is complete just because it does not start with 0. But for the rest of the account numbers that start with 0, then all the leading zeros are nowhere to be found. This tutorial will tell us how we can go about entering our 0, and the 0 will not disappear. Unlike if I want to type my number, take for instance 0802345 and so on, press enter, the leading 0 disappears. So all this we shall find solution to in this tutorial. Now, the most common method, or some people, they will convert the particular cell to text by coming to this place and choose text. When you choose text for this cell, for cell GH9, okay, let me type 08023145769. So the 0 is staying. Then the same thing with account number. Let us go to account number. We have converted it to text. Now, let's type the account number starting with 0. 10 digits. 02, or let's say 00023568551. Okay, do we have 10 digits already? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 digits. So it's staying. But the advantage of this is that you have converted the cell to text. You have formatted the cell to be text, and the digits there will be appearing as text instead of appearing as a figure that is supposed to be. How do we go about solving this problem? Now let me delete all this. What you need to do is to format the cell to contain certain number of digits. For telephone number, we know the most common telephone number that we have, the GSM number, contains 11 digits. And because we know we want to have 11 digits on the highlighted cells, then we'll go to home button, click on format, then you go to format cell. We have a dialog box coming up. So under number tab, we'll click on custom. When you have clicked on custom, you click on the first 0, and we'll now come to type and input our 11 digits, 11 zeros, the number of digits that we want the cell to contain. Now let us type 0 in 11 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, you click OK. So having done that, now let us type our telephone number 08023145869. All right, fantastic. So the leading 0 is staying. Let us try another one. 07056879452. Can you see? Okay, let's fill the others. 08028145698. Alright, for this 09061478952. Then the last one 08123477890. Okay, for account number, we know the NUBAN is 10 digits. The same thing, you highlight all the affected cells. You can press Ctrl 1. If you don't want to use the home button, go through the home button and click on format, then format cell. Let's press Ctrl 1. Press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 will also bring out the dialog box wherein you go to custom, click on 0, and you type the number of digits that are expected from all highlighted cells. Now we want 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Click OK or you press enter on the keyboard. Let us enter our account number 00023457789. Okay, so it's staying 00000, right? It's staying. In fact, if your account number starts with 0, you may not need to type the leading zeros. Just type the remaining digits or the next digit immediately after those leading zeros. Take for instance, I want to type 0023. I will not type 00. I will only type 23457814. Press enter. Computer will add the leading zeros to make up your 10 digits. Now let's try another one. Okay, you can have 250632. Okay, 24. Then you press enter. So we have it like that. Then another one, let's try the last one. Okay, 2578. Press enter. So the leading zeros will be added. So this is very fantastic, or is a good way of entering telephone number and account number using Excel. So thank you very much for watching this video. I want you to click on the subscribe button below this video so that you get notified anytime a new video is uploaded in this channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave your comment. Thank you.